The Bedlocker Electric Hard Automatic Retractable Tonneau Cover by Pace Edwards is a cover you can access with the push of a button. This cover is great. It's made from aluminum panels that are locked together with a silicone hinge seal. These aluminum panels are tough enough to keep unwanted visitors out of your truck bed and are covered in a textured powder coat finish. This combo can protect your cover from rust and regular wear and tear. It has a low profile design that installs inside of the bed rails. This positioning keeps the cover flush with the sides of the bed, giving a sleek, streamlined look. The automatic function of the cover lets you open the cover even when you aren't standing next to the truck. The Bedlocker operates with the push of a button. You can open or close the cover in less than 30 seconds. If your hands are full and you're in a hurry, you can open the cover with no trouble. Installation on the cover is a little different. There's no drilling required, but there is some work with the electrical system and running wires to make the cover work. If you're interested in purchasing the Bedlocker Electric Hard Automatic Retractable Tonneau Cover by Pace Edwards, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.